The equality operator, which is the double equal symbol, is used to check if two values are equal. If two values are equal. To compare two values, you'd use a statement like value and the equality operator, then 8. So in our case, below our done, plus plus inside our loop, you have to add an if statement with a condition that checks if done variable is equal to the count using the equality operator. So done, use the equality operator, then count. And then don't forget the body of our if and the semicolon. So what this does is that it checks if done and count if, or wait, what this does is that it checks if the value of done and the value of count are equal.